Open the front cover of the printer. The display will show an error message. Let the cover open, then simultaneously press the back and cancel buttons. It may take several attempts. The reset menu will appear on the printer monitor. Select the color and the yield of the toner you need to reset. K is black, M is magenta, C is cyan and yellow. High capacity or standard capacity. Let's try to reset the yellow toner cartridge. Select the yellow toner. Reset, yes. It will show accepted. It's done. Check the toner levels. The yellow is full. Close the cover.